Te dio vergüenza.
Ôi, ôi.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, oh shit.
Oh, you should be shot. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I'm making my jam pasta. Now I'll start making the custard. I'm putting in coconut custard.
Is she allowed to eat peas?
Could she eat them?
I do it. I did it.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Thank you. It was an honor to be here, and thank you for everything. I had a great experience. Carlos, I know it's
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm
Can somebody tell my dog to stop throwing her ball in here?
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that? Monroe? Monroe? Do you want a treat? It's gotta cool off still. It's gotta cool. It's gotta cool.
a dandelion. Must be the last one this season.
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
I farted on my cat, and this was her reaction.
What?
I told you to stop it because you're making me uncomfortable. No! Why are you meowing at me?
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
That's how you do it, shit, like...
Roof!
To get those vehicles and get the passengers out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me.
Huh?
You can do anything you want when you're physically disabled.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I feel like everybody's been bullied at one point in their life.
I don't know how many cats there are. Look at that face.
Kitty drinks too much milk.
Skibbity pass.
Oh, what's that?
Skibbity pass.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.